wo es tat muscular, power fully will talk with an gase, a reputation that precedes them, and I are often misunderstood, if you're rethinking of the American Pit Bull Terrier. You're looking at one of the most debated and, arguably, most misrepresented breeds in the world. Their very name conjures strong reactions, often polarizing opinions into fear or fierce loyalty. But what is the truth behind the lines and stereotypes? Is the American Pit Bull Terrier a naturally aggressive monster, or a loving, loyal, and incredibly athletic companion? Today, we are diving deep into the complex world of the Pit Bull to separate the fact from fiction. We'll explore their surprising historias Nanny dogs, uncover the true meaning of their strength and tenacity, and reveal why so many owners consider them to be the most affectionate dogs they've ever known. We'll expose the misconceptions and give you the honest truth about what it really takes to be a responsible Pit Bull owner. Let's unmask the real American Pit Bull Terrier. The story of the American Pit Bull Terrier is rooted in late 19th century Britain, where they were originally bred from Old English Bulldogs and Old English Terriers. These dogs were created for bullfighting and bear-biting, brutal sports that were thankfully outlawed. However, even in those cruel times, their tenacity and power were evident. When immigrants brought these dogs to America, their role shifted. On farms, they became general-purpose dogs, herding cattle, catching dogs, and guarding property. Crucially, they also became cherished family companions. In the early 20th century, Pit Bulls were actually known as nanny dogs. Their stable temperament and patience with children made them popular pets, a far cry from the aggressive image often portrayed today. LLC in historical photos with children, often considered as a first choice for a family pet. This historical context is vital. It shows that their nature is not inherently malicious, but rather a product of their breeding and their environment. The most important truth about the American Pit Bull Terrier's temperament is their overwhelming desire to please their owners and their deep affection for humans. Despite their powerful appearance, they are incredibly gentle and loving with their families. They are famously affectionate and enjoy being close to people, often believing they are lap dogs, regardless of their size. They are intelligent and eager to learn, responding well to consistent, positive reinforcement training. Their energy means they autoplay, and their joy for life is contagious. However, their history also instigated a strong prey-drive and dog-to-dog aggression in some lines, particularly if not properly socialized from a young age. This doesn't mean they are born aggressive towards people, but it means a responsible owner must understand their individual dog's limits and continue socialization throughout their lives. Given their strength and tenacious nature, early and consistent training and socialization are non-negotiable for an American Pit Bull Terrier. This means exposing puppies to a wide variety of sights, sounds, people, and well-mannered, vaccinated dogs from an early age. Training should focus on obedience, impulse control, and polite manners. They excel in dog sports like agility, obedience, and weight pulling, which provide both physical and mental stimulation. A well-trained and socialized Pit Bull is a calm, confident, and incredibly well-behaved dog. An untrained Pit Bull, like any powerful breed, can be a handful. The blame for aggression often lies not with the dog's breed, but with irresponsible ownership, lack of training, and sometimes abuse. Pit Bulls are athletic and high-energy dogs. They need a significant amount of vigorous exercise every single day at least an hour, but often more. This isn't just a walk around the block. It is intense play, running, hiking, or dog sports. Without adequate physical and mental stimulation, they can become bored, frustrated, and destructive. This can manifest as chewing furniture, digging up the yard, or excessive barking. A tired Pit Bull is a happy Pit Bull, and a well-exercised Pit Bull is less likely to exhibit problem behaviors. Remember, their powerful jaws are built for strength, so durable chew toys are also a must. American Pit Bull Terriers are generally robust and healthy dogs, often living 12 to 14 years. However, like all breeds, they have predispositions to certain health issues. Skin allergies, they can be prone to various skin allergies, which may require dietary changes or medication. Hip and elbow dysplasia, This is common in many active, medium to large breeds. Hypothyroidism, an underactive thyroid can affect their metabolism and energy levels. Cardiac issues, somelines can be prone to certain heart conditions. Choosing a reputable breeder who performs health screening some parent dogs is crucial for minimizing these risks. Regular veterinary checkups, a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight are key to their longevity. The biggest challenge facing the American Pit Bull Terrier is the negative stigma surrounding the breed. Misinformation, sensationalized media reports, and breed-specific legislation BSL have unfairly targeted pit bulls, often leading to discrimination and unnecessary euthanasia. It is vital to remember that pit bull is often used as a blanket term for several similar breeds: American Staffordshire Terrier, Staffordshire Bull Terrier, etc., and mixes. Judging a dog solely by its appearance or breed label ignores the true factors that contribute to a dog's behavior: genetics, responsible breeding, early socialization, training, and the environment they live in. A responsible pit bull owner becomes an ambassador for the breed, demonstrating through their dog's excellent behavior that they are loving, stable companions. The American Pit Bull Terrier is a breed of incredible contrasts: powerful yet gentle, tenacious yet affectionate, often misunderstood yet deeply loyal. They are not the right dog for every journey, as they require a committed, active, and responsible owner willing to invest time in training and socialization. But for those who understand and appreciate their true nature, the Pit Bull offers an unparalleled bond, a fearless protector, and a goofy, loving companion that will enrich their lives beyond measure. Do you own an American Pit Bull Terrier? What is the biggest misconception you have to overcome about your dog? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful and you appreciated these incredible dogs, please hit the like button, subscribe to the Doggo Zone for more honest breeds podcasts, and share this video to help spread the truth. Until next time, stay responsible, stay loving, and keep learning.